This isn't just a bus. It's a private luxury residence built to move. The measurements look good. Acknowledged, proceeding to Bay 4. Confirmation sent. Engaging transfer sequence.
Before the luxury begins, every structural component is cut and formed with extreme precision. Line it up. Verify clearance. Engage welders.
Keep it steady. Looking good. A little lower. Okay, there. Check those front points. Secure. Perfect fit. Good job, everyone. Line it up. Got it. Tightening now. Verified. Secure.
With the foundation secured, the coach can finally support its full weight and begin moving through the assembly line. Every steering component is aligned to deliver precise control, despite the size and weight of the coach. Now the defining feature of the coach begins to take shape, a reinforced upper structure designed to carry an entire second level.
Above the road, a second world is taking shape. Alignment is perfect. Engaging clamps. Lock sequence initiated. Secure. Retracting arm.
Every curve is measured. Every surface is refined for perfection.
Looks like it's holding tight. Nice work. Now for the next one.
Inside, engineering gives way to luxury. The shell is becoming a sanctuary on wheels. Now, every hidden system begins to come alive. Luxury is finished in the smallest details.
Comfort, technology, and craftsmanship now work as one.
The module is locked in. Running the diagnostics.
The final details are measured in millimeters. Initiating module attachment. System checks green. Calibration sequence active.
From raw structure to a rolling masterpiece, every detail was built for one purpose: to redefine luxury on the road.
Built inside the factory. Born for the road.